How to create Google Voice or get a free phone number on Google Voice. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create an account as well as get a free phone number on Google Voice. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser. So before we begin with this procedure, if you're unable to get an access of Google Voice, that means this particular application or this particular feature is not available in your country. So then to begin with, on the web address bar, type in www.voice.google.com, and this is going to take you to the official web page of Google Voice. You can either sign up with your Google account or maybe through an email address and all that. So here, as you can see, that I already have an account. So basically what you'll need to do is, after you're done signing into your account, you'll need to review the terms and services and policies. Click on the continue button. Now you can search for the available number by city or an area code. So you'll need to enter in the phone number first of all, and after that you can just tap on the call icon located right on top, and then you can just make a call from here. So over here you'll be asked to select the Google Voice number. So select the country of your resident, or you can just select either one of it and select the phone number. Now make sure to take a note of this particular phone number. After that, it's going to ask you to complete or set up a verification, so click on the verify button. Now incoming calls to your Google account. So for now, you need to enter in the phone number so that a verification code could be sent to your account. After you've done that, you'll need to review the terms of services and privacy policy and click on the continue button. Now you can search for the available number by city or an area code. Next, select the number you want and follow the instructions. After that, you've successfully created your Google Voice account as well as you've got a free phone number on Google Voice. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.